Hello, 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 hello. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Al Stock Trades. How's everybody doing today? You might be thinking, you're like, what the hell is Al doing right now at night? Right? It's what time is it? 11, 12? Hold on. We got Google. We got Dr. Google in the house. Eastern time now. It is 12:56 in the morning, right? Eastern time. You're like, what the hell Al's doing? Let me tell you something, guys. I've been working straight for 3 weeks, right? About 100 hours a week. And you best to believe I go ahead and put a live right now, right? What does that tell you? That is my work ethic, right? That is how I went from nothing to something, right? And you got to learn this work ethic. The only thing I got to add to it is a little bit of weights, right? And maybe a diet, right? Maybe a good diet with some vegetables, right? Some good old vegetables, right? All right, what's going on, guys? All right, so Chris, why are you sad, Chris? Are you okay, Chris? It's okay, Chris. What kind of picture is that, Chris? Hold on, let me go ahead and take a little screenshot here. What do we have here? Chris? What do we got going on here? What is this cute little thing here? Right, what is this? We're going to go ahead and do a double zoom in so we can see. Oh, my God. Look at that little warrior. Hopefully that made you laugh there, okay? What's going on, James? Hey, where's that stud muffin, right? I want to say hi on Friday night special. You know, guys, I'm telling you guys, I just got my medication. During the workday, I spent about an hour. I drove to the ophthalmologist real quick before heading back to the hospital. They're very nice. It's called a fast pass, where if you're a healthcare provider, you get in, you get out because they know you're busy. No time to bullshit, right? So, so they gave me some medication. It has like dexamethasone eye drops, so it helps kind of calm down the sty. Yeah, guys, it's kind of annoying. Yeah, so I'm just kind of taking a break right now. With heat warm packs and stuff, so I'm gonna be putting on that meds. Yeah, so let's go out. Clover Health number 1, right? Let's go. I'm not even selling. I'm not going anywhere, right? Yo, Al, let's light up. Let's light it up. Let's do it, right? Al, you are a beast mode, right? El Jefe in the house. What's going on? Honestly, if I had a drink, I would drink it right now. But no drink. Honestly, I'm too tired, guys. Whenever I'm too tired to feel buzzed. Does that make sense? I already feel buzzed from being tired, right? I don't. You know what I mean? Like you just like I'm already buzzed off of life, right? So I'm Buzz Lightyear right now. Okay. All right. What's going on? Mr. Patel? What's going on here, right? Chris, right? That's Corgi the Warrior right there. Yeah. Where in the hell did the 65 million Oh, yes. Yes, you want to jump straight into it. Look at that big, oh my God. What the hell kind of volume is this? What volume is this? Now, if you guys don't know what he's referencing this volume right here, 65 million. I know it's hard to see, but I just took a screenshot of it. On Thinkorswim, it's green, but where the hell did this 65 million come from? Where the hell did it come from? Okay. Understand racial inclusion, but damn, right? All right, damn, right? Right? Corgi, you're not selling, right? So, okay. So we gotta talk about a lot. Lots have happened. Crazy what can happen in a week, right? So first thing, Clover's down like, almost 8%. Year to date, we're down 11%. I mean, all these shenanigans, and we're down to 8. Everyone's so upset. We're down 11%. I get it. From the top down, we're down 42%. I get it. But a year, we're still up over 100%. Okay, right? So again, there needs to be some consolidation. There needs to be, again, you can't have a stock run up 400 or 500% without consolidating, right? Okay, so we got some consolidation. I would say $3 is consolidation. Like right around, I would say $3.19. This 13% drop, this 43-cent drop, I would say, I don't know, guys. I mean, I would say this was a little too much of a drop, and I'm going to explain kind of, even Vivek is saying it, right? So indirectly. So Institutions now own about 26.43%. Let me see if they updated it today. Because, oh, holy moly. Holy moly. Look at this. Look at this. So, you know how it says 26.43%? Yeah. Baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. Look. Look at this. 26.5%, guys. Yeah. So how many shares changes that? Yeah, dude. Dudes. So let's just see the difference. 110,403,116 subtracted from, again, these are Class A shares. And we subtract them from here. So in a day, in one freaking day, let's see how many shares did they buy. 325,000 shares. Dude, that's how much I have in my Robinhood account. Damn, these freaking institutions are huge, right? Like, God, I spent so much time working hard on that. And these guys, within a day, what the hell? Right? Come on now. Right? So, again, there's multiple different types of institutional investors. And these guys are most likely ETFs because usually they report quickly. They have nothing to hide. So I bet you these are more ETFs reporting because ETFs don't give a shit. They're not like Bank of America that report on the day where they have to report because if not, they get sued by the government. So I could just kind of take a little screenshot here. Goldman Sachs looks like it trimmed about a little bit, but it only trimmed, 3.29%. They still own a lot. I don't know kind of what's that about. But look at this. They're all ETFs. ETF. This one here is kind of weird. 3.29%. But, if you look at them, yeah, they're just taking some tax law. Again, it's not that much of a big drop. I think it's just kind of a portfolio defense allocation. And I think the intern that's responsible for this account doesn't really know much, honestly. Okay, so let me go somewhere. Where do I need to go? I need to go somewhere. Somebody take me somewhere. Okay, so yeah, so we talked about this one. Okay, there it is. So let's look at the comments here. Getting my Albert fix. You're the man of the hour. Oh man, woo, Jennifer, woo, love it, right? Let's see here. After listening to all the negative, I knew it was time to buy, right? No, for real, guys. There was a lot of negative. All right, listen. So, real talk here, guys. So I understand. Look, I understand there's like zero shorting Clover right now, but let me show you something. All right, watch this. Okay, so is it true? Can you have 0% zero short interest on a stock directly, but it still gets shorted indirectly through an ETF that it holds? Yes or no? So the answer is obviously yes. So you don't have to short the stock directly. You can basically short the ETFs that it's holding the stock. You might ask, what ETFs? Well, like this one, Dimension, US Core Equity. You could like short all these things, and but yeah, it is. It's not a direct short, right? And that's what's happening, right? There's a lot of shorting, and it's hitting Clover collaterally, which is an opportunity for us. And you really, again, guys, you really have to know what you hold. I mean, listen, guys, look. We're going to talk about, I made this post here with, oh, wait, by the way, before I start yapping here, Corgi. Okay. Yeah. So here, this is not a new Twitter account, but I went ahead and refreshed it. Go ahead and add me on this Twitter account, guys, right? It's just _ my name, right? _ Albert Allen. And this is obviously is the gold badge. Very sophisticated, very Apple-like, right? I love that word, right, from Peter. And this is obviously follow me here if you haven't done so. Al Stock Trades follows one person only, right? And that's me, right? It's like that Snoop Dogg. I would like to thank me, and I would like to thank me, and I would like to congratulate me. Oh my God. I just saw that video. I need to get some sleep. All right, for real though, guys. Yeah, I did this on purpose because I think like Apple follows Tim Cook or something. I don't know, or like Tesla follows Elon. I was like, let's probably do that, right? Well, at least I think they do. I don't know. I would hope so. But yeah, give us a follow on this one here. I'm trying to. I made some posts on here, right? So this got about 2.7K views, and we're getting some, we're getting some pretty good views on here, guys. So definitely support it, right? So get the word out, right? Okay, so that's my spiel for that. But what was I going to say? Yeah, so I made this post, but let me just kind of, yeah, okay, let's read this. Okay, let's read this, and we'll break down my breakdown. Okay, now this is Vivek. For folk again, guys. There's some people on here that don't know who this is. They only know the other guy, Vivek Garipalli. This guy, Vivek Garipalli, kind of reminds me of the chocolate, right? Girdelli. He's my Girdelli, right? He's the only Girdelli you need, honestly, right? So he should honestly make a chocolate brand. But yeah, this guy is the former CEO of Clover. He's the founder. In fact, he should be here, the co-founder of the executive chairman, former Clover Health. Yeah. And so, yeah, he's a billionaire, right? And very, very just a hardworking gentleman, created a bunch of things. Visionary. What a visionary. This man's a freaking visionary. All right. Now, listen. Let's go ahead and read this. Okay. Let's read this together. Okay. Simple things investors many times don't do. Ready? Again, he's talking. Let me just. Okay. Sometimes he talks about like sports, but Oracle's, obviously electronic healthcare record system. He's saying life is moving pretty fast. 2022, Oracle bought Cerner for $28 billion. Cerner's high revenue, high gross margins, high free cash flow, and it basically changed the business model of Oracle. And he's pretty much saying that life moves pretty fast if you don't stop and look around once in a while. I mean, this guy's sending you signals. Okay, he's sending you signals. Okay. To a point where he pretty much read the last line. If you choose to pass, you probably are a bad investor in general. We're going to get to this line, right? But before we even do that, let me just show you. This guy's obviously a lot of times he talks about sports, and he will not read any more Knicks post between now and at the end of. Is he a Knicks fan? Vivek, if you're a Knicks fan, if you're not a Knicks fan, please let me know. I don't want to insult you, right? But anyway, what an awesome listen, Clover VP. I mean, he uses this as a direct way to communicate to us, right? Even though he doesn't want to admit it directly because he didn't want to be put in a lawsuit, right? Because retail investors are annoying, and they sued Clover for, in my opinion, no reason, but whatever. They won the lawsuit, but they had to pay legal fees. So, I mean, do you blame Clover Health for not wanting to, right? So, I don't blame them at all, but it's okay. So let's go ahead and read this, okay? So, you're a Knicks fan? Honestly, guys, I need to learn more about the Knicks. I think they have a really wonderful history. I hear them all the time, and they sound like a really good team, right? I honestly don't know what this is, and you guys are going to hate me, but is this yeah, it's basketball. Okay, it's basketball. All right, good. It's good. It's good. I Googled it because I was going to say something else. Yeah, I'm not really that much of a. All I know is that our team's in Arizona, right? I know just as much as your wives. Let's be honest, right? All right, so let's read this. Okay, so simple things. I mean, your wives probably know more than me, right? I'm sure Jennifer Hoffman knows more than me, right? I think you're more of a man in this arena than I am, right? Right. I'm more of a nerd, computer program and stuff like that. But yeah, so simple things investors many times don't do, especially for businesses where the end user or buyer of a product is an individual. Okay. So let's Okay, okay. So especially when let's try to like break this down. Okay, like life goes by fast. Let's sit down and study Vivek Garipalli like the Bible. Okay, so this is chapter 1, line 1, verse 1. Sir Vivek, right, right. So especially for business, right? So he's saying that investors don't do this, especially for businesses, where the end user or buyer of a product is an individual. So it's pretty much basically saying, how are the individuals like, right? Like the people that buy the product, are they happy? Like when people that buy lifetime access, are you guys happy? Right? You always have to look at the end user. So look at Clover. Are those folks happy? Right? But we have to look a little deeper. Look at the products they sell. Compare it to the competition in terms of price and value. Well, they're the only PPO plan that allows them to do all that. They have an AI. They get a lot of benefits, and yeah, right. So obviously they go ahead and give them a lot. Oh, excuse me 1 second. All right, guys, sorry about that. I was talking to my dog. I was telling him, boy, you better shut your mouth. You better shut that. He brought me his ball. He shoved it up my back. He's like, I'll give you the ball. What? Oh, it's nice. Hell yeah. All right. So compare it to the company. Okay, good. Look at the products they sell. Compare it to the competition in terms of price. We did that, right? We talked about that, right? If you determine the business you like offers its products at more attractive price and higher value than the competition, then go to step 2. I mean, he's literally teaching. He's speaking to us like we're freaking idiots. Come on, Vivek. You know I got the intrinsic value, right? You know I got the data, but sometimes you got to break it down. You really got to break it down because people are so stupid. Okay, that's fine. Go ahead, break it down. So we'll go to step 2. Okay, let's go to step 2. Okay, let me drink some water first. What the hell is this, man? This is not water. Some flavored fucking. I'm sorry, excuse my language, guys, but she gave me flavored water. I just want some freaking water, guys. Oh God, can you give me some water, please? I want normal water. I don't want. She gave me a carbonated drink. I'm like, oh, I feel like I'm drinking chemicals, even though this thing's from Italy, but still, oh, I just want water. All right, sorry guys. I've been wearing lead all day, so just I need to hydrate. All right, so then go to step 2. Okay, go to step 2. Okay, now see how their internal margins compare to the competitors. Okay, obviously, let's. Well, I mean, might as well do this. All right, hold on. Let's go to our Girdelli chocolate man here. I love this guy, dude. This guy's a visionary, man. I wish I could just have some time to just talk with, not about finance, not about just talk to him about it. He'll go on CNBC. I would love to just kind of pick his brain, man, and just kind of like, oh, those interviewers do a better job than me, but just to see the future through his eyes. You know what I mean? Oh no, that's not what I want. That's not what I wanted. This is the mastering. It has the software. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. All right, so let's go ahead and put CLOV, and let's look at the quarter. Let's go to the quarter. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do this here. Okay, look at the gross margins. Right, the gross margins for Clover is 26%. Okay, let's look at Humana. Well, yeah, Humana doesn't do a good job reporting theirs. Look at United. United's 22%, right? Let me show you. Let me go get Humana's. Humana's doesn't do it in a way. You have to kind of calculate it indirectly, so that's fine. Oh, thank God. You got me some water, guys. Oh man, I really need the water. Okay, hold on, guys. Man, wow. Water just hits the spot. Wow. Yeah. There it is, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. Here. These are the gross margins for Humana. Okay. These are the gross margins for Humana. 15%. 15%, right? Look at Clover. Clover's 20 something percent. United is 22%. Look at Clover. And this is Clover, like without its full AI optimized. Clover's at 26%. So obviously Clover's almost double that of Humana. Look at Molina. Molina is 11.65%, right? Right? You can see that this is all data, right? I mean, again, I've been, this is everything we've been talking about, right? Okay, fine. Where's this post? God, there's so many tabs here. Okay, so I got it. So we look at the internal margins compared to the competitors. Okay, if they are better, same or better, then go to step 3. Okay, good. Ask yourself why. Okay, let's ask ourselves why. Why are they better? Okay, Clover Assistant. Vivek is like, yes, good boy. Okay, yes, Clover. You guys know Clover Health watches our videos, and they're probably laughing. They're probably laughing because it's just so weird, dude. It's so funny, guys, because it's like you have this company that literally no one's talking about, right? And this company's about to like shake up Wall Street and just shake up healthcare. And the only person who talks about it is like this weirdo who came from homelessness. Like, what the freaking hell, right? It's like Michael Burry, the guy who showed the housing market. He was a former neurologist, former medical doctor, and he did it with one eyeball, right? Because the other eye was a glass eye. Like, it's just, just weird people find weird things, I guess. It's just kind of funny. It's just like, I'm sorry, Clover. I'm sure. I wish you got someone who has a bigger subscriber count. But I tried my best, right? You got a weirdo like me following you, so it's okay, right? But anyway, so yeah, step 3: ask yourself why. Okay, well, why are their gross margins higher, right? So obviously, you guys are probably saying it under your breath, right? It's the Clover Assistant. It's their AI. It's their machine learning platform, right? It's the counterpart, right? So there it is. Okay, good. So now let's read the next part. If Y is a moat, okay, so if Clover Assistant is a moat, okay, or counterpart that the business has created and is widening, which it is, then you may be looking at a pretty awesome investment. I mean, this guy's literally spelling it out for you. I mean, Jesus Christ, I wish I had this 10 years ago, guys. Oh, God. Michelle, come here. You kidding? Michelle, no. I'm bringing Michelle. Michelle. Please. No. Come here. Give me this. Michelle, I need you to come here. No. Yeah. Michelle, no. Seriously, guys. This is some freaking funny shit, guys. Go grab me a chair and sit next to me. I know the movie's starting. We got a big, beautiful movie theater room. Forget the movie right now. Vivek is literally trying to help people like we're in elementary school. Okay, I mean, I wish I had someone do this for all my investments, right? Shit, man. Okay, so all right, let's do this. Okay, all right, come here, come closer. All right, you better practice your reading skills. You're gonna have 1,000 people watching this. All right, come here. You better read good. Come on. All right, good. All right.
I'm too tired.
All right. Oh yeah, don't blame you being tired. I'm tired too. All right, go ahead. Come close to the mic.
I'm not reading this out loud.
Come closer to the mic. Come on. Better. I'm gonna say. Come on, come closer. All right, so, all right. So how about this? I'll have you interpret it. Okay, is that better? All right. So, simple thing investors many times don't do. Okay, so these are simple things. Okay, especially for businesses where the end user is a product. Okay, so when you want to invest, what he's basically saying is when you want to invest in a business, you want to look at what that business is selling to, and are the people happy? Like when someone sells Coca-Cola, are the people happy when they drink Coca-Cola? I'm sure they're not crying, right? Unless it's something else, right? But anywho, so people that receive Clover, are they happy? Yeah, of course. They're getting good health care. They're getting like all these things, okay? So, okay. Then he says, look at the product they sell, compare it to the competition in terms of price and value, okay? If you determine the business you like offers its product at a more attractive price and value than the value in the competition, which they do, right? They have PPO, which you have PPO, and you love PPO. I don't have PPO, right? I got the crappy one, right? But it's okay, right? You got PPO, I don't got PPO, right? You got the PP, I don't got the PP, right? Okay, that's fine. So you get to see anyone, right? So that's exactly what Clover Health is, right? They have the PP. Okay, so okay, good. All right, good. So more attractive, higher value, then go to step 2. So he said, okay, then move on to step 2. I mean, he's literally giving you in steps. Then like he probably typed this on his phone. Go to step 2. And then see how the internal margins compare to the competitors. Okay? Let's do that. All right. Read this. What does it say, Michelle? Read this. What does it say?
Humana.
Louder.
Humana.
Okay. Can you say it louder?
Is it Humana or Humana?
No, Humana. I say it all the way. They always get mad at me. It's Humana. Go ahead, say it.
Humana.
Okay, good. It's Humana. All right, now I want you to go ahead and I want you to read this here. What does it say?
I can't see that.
What is that? I'll zoom it in for you.
Gross margin percent.
Okay, good. Now, what year is this?
2024.
What was the percent?
14.5.
Okay, 14.5% is Humana's. Okay, Michelle. All right, help me here, okay? Let's basically, if Michelle can do this, everybody can do this. All right, here's the gross margins for Clover. Clover Retirement is like, hi, Michelle. All right, good. She's laughing.
Much rather be watching a movie right now.
No way. How dare you? How freaking dare you? All right. All right, now watch. Okay, watch. Ready? Oh, I'm zooming in the wrong thing here, guys. Okay. Got to zoom in this. Okay, now we'll read this. What does it say?
I can't. I'm like partially blind. What does that say? Gross margin percent.
Same thing, guys. Same thing. Okay. What does it say for Clover for 2024?
26.6%.
26.61.
6.1.
Don't forget that one, right? We worked hard for that freaking one. Or we worked hard the damn freaking 60 cents for that damn one, right? Don't forget that one, okay? All right, now say it again.
26.61%.
Okay, good. Okay, now is that higher than Humana?
Sorry, I'm distracted with your comment.
Okay, Humana's 14.5. Are we higher than Humana?
Yes.
Okay, good. Say hell yes.
Hell yeah.
Okay, good. All right, now let's go ahead and look at UnitedHealthcare, the big guy.
Don't make you money.
Right? Yeah, exactly. Movies don't make you money. Good job. Exactly. She read it. Now, now, UnitedHealthcare. What is UnitedHealthcare's?
22.33%.
Okay, so is Clover higher?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job. Now let's look at Molina, which is hey, Dr. Burry, I know you were my mentor. I know you watch my videos. You're beautiful Molina. Look at this. What's Molina? He sold it, but still he bought it. Come on. What is that?
11.65%.
Is it higher than Clover?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, Clover's higher. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. That was a trick question. Right? No, my dumbass forgot. Okay, good. I can't speak English. All right, what else? Actually, let me see. Let's look at Oscar for a sec. Oh yeah, Oscar doesn't report theirs as effectively, but I'm sure again, Oscar's not a competitor. But I'm just kind of curious. Let's look at Oscar real quick. Let's look at Oscar's bullshit here. Oscar's 20%, right? Again, Clover Health is still higher. Oh, wait. Let's look at Alignment. Alignment Healthcare, right? Though they have an AI. Holy moly. Look at Alignment. It's a competitor, right? What is Alignment's number?
10.97%.
Okay, is Clover Health higher? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Look at that. My God. Wow, I feel special. Okay, so let's all right, guys. So then let's go ahead and let's move on to Vivek's educational platform. If they are the same or better, Then go to step 3. Okay, we can move to step 3. They're better, right? Okay, we can move to step 3. Ask yourself why. Okay. All right, Michelle, I'm going to ask you why. Why is Clover Health better than everyone else? You know this, Michelle. Come on. You are the future wife of the only freaking guy who talks about Clover Health. If you don't know this, holy shit.
Counterpart.
Yes. Holy freaking shit. She said it. Counterpart. Okay. What is counterpart? What is it? What is it?
No.
No, but what is it?
Isn't it an AI SaaS?
Yes, it's it. Oh, say it again. Holy shit. Holy shit. She's the one, guys. I'm going to marry her right now. Go ahead.
An AI SaaS company.
Holy shit. Holy shit. She knows. Look at that. She knows. Oh my God. Okay, good. Okay, good. You know, Vivek's going to be laughing. Okay. So you ask yourself why. Okay. Because they have an AI. Okay, got it. All right. If Y is a moat, okay. Do you know? Okay, this is going to get a little hard, Michelle, because you haven't taken the lifetime. Okay, you haven't taken the course. Okay, so that's fine. Do you know what a moat is? You know what? That's actually pretty good. I'm sure other people in here don't know what a moat is either. That's fine. That's actually good. That's why she's here, guys. That's actually pretty good. Okay. My future wife, I'm trying to teach her on how to understand stocks. Can you please help me in one sentence describe what a moat is a company's unique advantage, like a strong brand, patent, or cost edge that protects it from competitors and helps it stay profitable over time. This is great. This is great. This is great. So then now, what's Clover Health's moat? What's Clover Health Smoke? Good job, man. Good job. All right. What's Clover Health's moat? Clove stock. So it knows, I don't know if it knows. Searching web. Hello. Okay. It looks like all red. It's like bloody red. Okay. So, look at this. Clover Health's primary moat lies in. Say that, baby. Say that right. Oh wait, no. Oh no. This line just keeps getting in better. Holy shit! You might have to read all this. Okay, I need you to. Yeah, they can see all this. Holy shit! Yeah, you're gonna have to read all this. This is pretty good, guys. Go ahead, read. What? Read. No, that's a sentence. Go ahead, read it.
Proprietary AI-driven platform, Clover Assistant, which uses machine learning and real-time data like claims and EHR info to help physicians diagnose and manage chronic conditions earlier and move proactively, creating provider switching cost and a time to value advantage.
Holy shit. That's really good, guys. That is really, really good. Okay, good. So we talked about that. All right, good. So now we know what the moat is. That is the business and has created. Okay, now, Michelle, is it widening? Are they spreading their software to other people? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, you know what Vivek says? Then you may, so if it's doing all of this, then he says, then you may be looking at a pretty awesome investment over the long term. Oh my God, I've never seen somebody do this. So if you choose, then he says this, if you choose to pass, you probably are a bad investor. In general, not doing this is how most investors missed Walmart and Costco many years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, what's the market cap of Walmart? $776 billion. Okay. What's the market cap of Cost here, right? Costco, $436 billion. Okay. Listen, guys, life truly does pass you by. You really got to pay attention. I just saw this comment on my YouTube channel from a Mr. Where is he? From a Mr. RYK. 10 hours ago, he messaged he said, probably time to start talking about major downside targets, lower price targets for the year, and possibility of a reverse stock split if it visits $1 again. And my and my question, and my response was, you joking, right? So at the end of the day, guys, at the end of the day, there's going to be people here that are going to choose to pass. And if you choose to pass, you're probably a bad investor, man. Right? And my comment here is pretty much kind of what I did really quickly, but we kind of went into it here in terms of gross margins. But yeah, so there it is, guys. So I mean, it's pretty simple, right? Pretty simple if you ask me here. Okay, good. Thanks for the follow, guys. Good. Keep following. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at another thing. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll talk about this tomorrow. Okay, we'll talk about this intrinsic value. Because a lot of people, someone said right now, what the hell is that? Someone basically said, wait, your bull case on the stock is only 390. Am I missing something? No. That's not what I said. Al Stock Trades responded, no, that's not what I said. Right? No. That's not what I mean here. I think, this video is already 37 minutes long. I would say let's make a dedicated video on this because I think it'll be a pretty good video to learn about what potentially could be the bottom for Clover. But I just wanted to spend some time, really, honestly. I wanted to spend some time on this, guys. I mean, Vivek pretty much just outlines this, which is insane. In fact, yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yeah. So let's look at the comments. Slap that sass. Oh yeah, I'll slap it, baby. All right. This is so much better than the movie. I agree. Fortification against competition. Yes. AI SaaS similar to Palantir made over $250,000 in Palantir so far, and Clove could make that number look like none. Can you help me find a wife like Michelle? Asking for a friend. Oh, hey Michelle, do you have any sisters? Right? Maybe Nancy. We can get her a new husband. Yeah. Fuck you. I'm sorry. I shouldn't say that. I'm messing with I'm messing with her brother. I'm messing with her brother-in-law. I always mess with him. Right? He's a bit weird, He has a picture on Facebook I got to show you. I always mess with him. Nah, man, it's okay. I love you, man. You're a good man, You're all right. You're all right. All right. So, hey, he said, hey, I don't want Nancy, right? Yeah, Nancy to us in the stock market is not a good thing, I think, right? Because that's why I put the picture on the chat group. I'm Nancy Pelosi. Yeah, me and her. Yeah, guys, let me just show you, honestly. I mean, let me show them. Let me show them. Let me show them so they know I'm not BSing them. Let me just show. Now I'll just show them the chat group. So I have this chat group with Nancy and Michelle's parents, and I went ahead and I changed it to crap. I can't see this anymore. I changed it to Nancy Pelosi, and I titled it the chat group. Well, this is awkward, and I put Nancy's face. Yeah, I'm obviously, I like to joke. I'm a jokester, and life is short. Listen, guys, life is short. If you're not making someone laugh, making someone's life better, what the hell? What the hell are you doing, right? Right, club to retirement. Right? And I know. Yeah, guy. I mean, I'm honestly, guys. If I wasn't, doing healthcare, I'd probably be in a circus. Not circus. I'll probably be a clown, honestly, right? But no. But in all seriousness, guys, this post is pretty much going to be a Hall of Famer. Oh yeah, no. This one here, this one's going to be a Hall of Famer. This is pretty. This is pretty crazy. I've never seen. Like, this is going to be pretty crazy, man. It's just, holy crap. There's going to be so much money made. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this is going to be insane. I mean, it's like Clover's like a virus. It's just going to keep spreading. So, anywho, stay the course. We already know where this is going. We already know. And that's pretty much it, guys, honestly. Right? To all the Lifetime Access members, I am going to find some time for Saturday or Sunday so we can sit down and meet on the Zoom call. They're fighting. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, they're like wrestling. They're play fighting. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Happy Friday. I'm gonna go watch this movie. I'm most likely gonna watch it for 10 minutes and sleep, but I want to watch Squid Games. I think the Squid Games is it's out, right? Yeah. So guys, listen. If you're watching this channel, my recommendation is after. Whoa, what the fuck is?
I know, I just saw that.
Whoa! Holy crap, guys! What the hell is this? So I just Googled this, and this is what popped up on Google. What is creepy? What is it?
He ain't gonna play.
Oh my god, this is live. Oh god.
You should get some tequila and play that.
Oh no! Oh, I lost one guy. It's like they don't show the guy getting killed. Oh, one guy. I lost one guy. Oh damn, I'm losing it, guys. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna save these people. Woo! All right. I'm sorry, guys. I really I got distracted right now. Okay. I really wanted to finish it. All right. So in conclusion, go watch Squid Games. Okay. Love you guys a lot. And I'll see you on the next one.